Bölgemizde yaşanan gelişmeler bize son 22 yıldır savunma sanayinde attığımız adımların önemini tekrar hatırlatmıştır. Şu gerçeği akıl ve basiret sahibi herkes çok rahat görebiliyor. Türkiye kendi göbeğini kendi kesmek zorunda olan bir ülkedir.
Turkey's air defense technologies stand out as engineering marvels, purveyors of independence, and guarantors of deterrence, thanks to their success on the field. The Bayraktar TB2, with its operational superiority in the Karabakh War, shifted the course of the conflict and positioned Turkey as a key strategic player in modern warfare. In Libya and Syria, the Bayraktar TB2 and Akıncı UCAV systems neutralized enemy defense lines, reinforcing regional security.
Ateş!
The Turkish defense industry provides air superiority beyond UAVs. Ground-based air defense systems offer effective and mobile solutions against land-based threats. The Korkut air defense system delivers exceptional performance against short-range threats. Additionally, the Bozdoğan missile, with its precision targeting capability, offers a critical solution in modern air operations. Long-range air defense systems, such as the Siper air defense system, enhance Turkey's capabilities, while Hürjet, the country's first domestically produced jet trainer and light attack aircraft, is designed to adapt to the combat concepts of the future. The Aksungur UAV, with its day and night target detection, extended flight endurance, and wide surveillance range, establishes a crucial link between maritime and land defense. One of the most striking examples of maritime defense is the multi-purpose amphibious assault ship, the TCG Anadolu. Designed as a strategic vessel for NATO missions and international operations, it opens the door to a new era in naval operations with its integrated UAVs. The TCG Anadolu is being prepared to host advanced unmanned combat aircraft designed for maritime operations, such as Kızıl Elma, which is engineered to perform carrier takeoffs and landings, even on short decks like its own. Modern air defense systems integrated into naval platforms provide effective protection for ships. The Gökdeniz system enhances vessels' defense capabilities against aerial threats, while electronic warfare and fire control systems developed under the MIGAM project play a game-changing role in naval operations. Air defense systems like Siper equip naval platforms with a multi-layered defense structure against ballistic missiles. Innovative solutions in submarine security enhance Turkey's deterrence capabilities. The Yakamo sonar system boosts maritime safety by enabling early detection of submarine threats, while the Zoka torpedo countermeasure system protects ships and submarines by diverting threats. The Reis-class submarines stand out as a strategic deterrent underwater, offering highly precise target detection and advanced offensive capabilities. The Akya heavyweight torpedo provides advanced underwater strike power, while the Çakır cruise missile extends precision engagement to both land and sea targets. Completing this triad of offensive capability, Typhoon, Turkey's short-range ballistic missile, is built for rapid launch and pinpoint strikes. Among the latest advancements is the Gazap missile system, designed for high-speed, long-range precision strikes. Turkey has taken a bold step forward with major contracts for Kaan, its first homegrown fifth-generation stealth fighter jet. Built to replace aging aircraft and stand alongside the world's most advanced fighters, Kaan is more than a military project. It's a statement of ambition, engineering skill, and the country's determination to control its own future in the skies. Indonesia has ordered 48 units, cementing Khan's place on the global stage. From high-altitude dominance to close-range support, Turkiye's air power spans every level of the battlefield. The Atak T-129 attack helicopter, agile, heavily armed, and built for precision, plays a vital role in supporting ground forces, striking targets, and operating effectively in the toughest combat environments. Turkey's main battle tank Altay serves as a cornerstone of the country's ground forces. With its powerful engine, advanced armor technology, and state-of-the-art fire control systems. Pars series armored vehicles stand out with their exceptional mobility across diverse terrains and challenging environments. Cobra 2 and Akrep 2 are distinguished by their innovative designs, tailored to modern combat conditions. Ejder Yalçın draws attention with its high level of protection against ballistic and mine threats, while Akrep 2 offers a strategic advantage in reconnaissance and surveillance missions with its silent operational capability.
Sistemler sistemi olarak geliştireceğimiz Çelik Kubbe projemizi inşallah tüm unsurlarıyla hayata geçireceğiz. Birilerinin demir kubbesi varsa bizim de çelik kubbemiz olacak.
The multi-layered air defense system Steel Dome, designed for modern warfare conditions, stands out as one of the most prominent examples of this effort. Systems like Korkut S-Hisar A+ and Hisar O+ form a comprehensive defense network against low and medium altitude threats, while the Siper air defense system positions Turkiye as a regional leader thanks to its protection against ballistic missiles. The Steel Dome is not merely a defense system, it's also a security network that enables seamless coordination between land, air, and naval platforms through its integrated structure. From just $248 million in 2002, Turkey's defense exports have grown to record levels. In 2024, this figure reached $5.8 billion, and in the first half of 2025, exports hit $3.6 billion, a 25% increase compared to the same period last year. Turkey now exports over 230 defense products to 170 countries, ranking among the top nations exporting defense items to the highest number of countries worldwide. Turkey's significant leap in the defense industry represents not only technological independence, but also a strategic vision shaping the warfare concepts of the future.